most people who invest or trade cryptocurrencies lose money. And the reason why they lose money is because they do things the opposite way. They buy high, they sell low, and they wonder why they don't make any profit. In this video today, I'm going to share with you a very simple strategy that I use in trading cryptocurrencies and also in investing as well. So we're going to be using Bitcoin as a point of reference for this analysis. We'll also look at the sentiment in the marketplace, the right sentiment that I want to see when I want to buy, and also talk a little bit about the sentiment I see when I start scaling out of the market. Now, the first thing I do is to have an overview and understanding of the market structure on the 3-month time frame. And right here on the 3-month time frame, you can see how price has consistently been creating higher high, higher low, a higher high, and then this higher low right here, and then a higher high. Now, after this higher high, it's ideal for me to anticipate for a retracement into a discount zone before a potential continuation towards the overall market direction. And right here, you can see if we go down to the monthly time frame, you can see we'll have this high, we'll have this low break of structure. This was our last down close candles. We used the low to draw our Fibonacci from there to the overall high to derive our equilibrium zone right here, the midpoint. Now, if I want to buy, I want to buy from a discount zone. And right here, you can see the discount zone. All I'm now looking for is points of interest resting at discount that will align with my analysis for me to potentially look for trade entries for a continuation to the overall market direction being to the upside. And right here, if we go into the weekly time frame, we can see right here we'll have a weekly inefficiency or weekly fair value gap. And right here, we also have weekly inefficiency resting at extreme discount as well. This one is resting at discount position. The next thing I do is to scale down to the daily to have a better overview of the market structure on the daily. And on daily, you can see clear as day, we're creating higher highs, higher low, and then a higher high. So it's ideal for me to anticipate for price to come into this key level. If we're going to continue higher, it's ideal to anticipate for a run into this key level before a potential continuation. Now you can see how I've aligned my 3 months, my monthly, my weekly, and my daily time frame. And now I've done that, the next thing I do is to look for my target. And my target is low resistance liquidity resting right here. So if for any reason we see a reversal from here, I'll be targeting this low resistance liquidity. Now, the next thing I do is to have an understanding of the sentiment in the marketplace. Currently, the sentiment is at fear. If I want to get into a swing position for the long term, I'll most likely prefer to see this be at an extreme fear, which is this red zone. That is when most retail traders are jumping out of the market when we are in this red zone. And when we are in this green zone, which is extreme greed, that is when retail traders are jumping in, they are buying, and they're wondering why they're not making any profit, because you're buying at the worst time and then you're selling at the worst time. So you're basically selling when you should be buying, buying when you should be selling. It's very simple. So if you found this video today insightful, if you learned something from it, got some value from it, give it a thumbs up, follow for more. You can share it with your friends who love to trade cryptocurrencies or invest in cryptocurrencies. I appreciate you today, tomorrow, and always, and I'll see you in the next one.